Hi everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off speed limits in Google Maps. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on your profile from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option. Now, go to the navigation settings. Here, scroll down and look for the show speed limits option. Once you find it, simply tap on the toggle switch right next to it and turn it off. And this is how you can turn off speed limits in Google Maps. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.